In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a different card on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the general ways in which you will be able to manage all of the cards currently linked to your Cash App account, how to switch between them, and which functions they can be used on. So, to manage the cards currently linked on your Cash App account, all that you have to do is, from the home screen of the latest version of the app, tap on the user icon located at the top right corner of the screen. You will be redirected to your account information page. You can manage the details about your account, and if you scroll down, one of the options available between all of the categories is going to be linked banks. As the name suggests, this is the page where you can manage the external financial institutions and also the credit cards or debit cards currently linked to Cash App. Now, if you have only one card linked, such as a debit card, that you want to switch off of, all that you have to do is tap on the specific card or bank account, and the option to remove the card is immediately going to appear. All that you have to do in there is choose the option to remove the card altogether, or you can even modify its details. That way, you don't have to go through the process of linking another one afterwards. As long as you remove the card or you modify its details through this window, you will be able to change the linked banks section and use a different card on Cash App. If you chose to remove the card, then you will be able to choose Link Credit Card or Link Debit Card and start the process of linking a different one. You will be able to include the full card number, the expiration date, and the security code, and with all of those details, you can go ahead and have it linked. If it is verified and it notices that the card is completely valid, it's going to appear immediately. Afterwards, when you choose to pay someone inside of Cash App, or you choose the option to add funds, you will be able to use the card that you have just linked. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a different card on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.